We're Lance and Christy. Join us as we build our dream. Welcome to Knight's Helm Farms. Today we're under fire weather watch until 9 p.m. and it's only 13-mile-an-hour winds right now, but they said it was going to get up to 20. And it's so gross out here. Get all the dirt in the air. Morgana's not fond of the wind. Messing up your hair, isn't it? You wanna go inside? Yeah, it's pretty windy. These are like the short hair ladies. Let's go inside. It's like we're being sandblasted. But there's the volume of sound coming off all these trees. Sounds like an ocean. In its sap, it's crazy. Doing a little check on all of our buildings because every once in a while something comes loose and it always shows up in a windstorm. And I'm leaving everybody right where they're at today. Nobody's getting out because it's too gross. Something blows over, we're just leaving it over until it's calm. It's crazy. Ready to go in? Okay. Getting the dogs? Alright, we'll see how this goes. He's going to harass Arthur a little bit. Eventually Arthur will stop and let him love on him. Maybe not today though. Nope. Tail in the air and gone. Come on! Good girls. Good girls. Good girls. All the way to the cat shed. She's like, I ain't going nowhere today. It's too windy. He'll go in and be glad you fixed the roof. Yeah. The corner was flapping. He probably didn't like that too much. Yeah, he just went up in there. The roosters act like they can run away from the wind too. It's funny. Right. They run in circles.
They got turbo boost in one direction.
I got so much dirt in my eyes.
I know, right?
And my teeth.
Yeah.
It's gritty. All right, girls. Probably staying inside most of the day today. It's a pretty good sized tree. Looks like it just broke off the root. Right there. Then we have a sway again. Not nearly as bad as when the car hit it. Yeah. This is the big bummer. Not so much for the tree, but for the fence. Like, we just had the fence redone.
Last November, we had our fence damaged and got it all fixed. Now it's happened again yesterday with all of the weather, the high winds and all that kind of stuff. This tree didn't survive, fell over, hit our fence, and now we got some sections damaged. So I'm gonna get rid of the tree right now, get it chopped up, remove it with the tractor, and then gonna probably get rid of the next one also. It doesn't look like it's doing very well either.
All three of these.
Yeah, we'll just get rid of these off the fence line. So I'm gonna get started on that.
Yeah. You come to talk? So while Lance is cutting that tree down, I've been, well, there's a birdhouse over here that I took apart and I cleaned it all up, sanded it, and I'm repainting it. And there's the roof. It's a metal roof for that birdhouse. And I thought, you know, since I got the paint out, I might as well paint these guys. So I just took a wire brush to this one and give it a shot of paint. Put it back up on the wall. It goes right there at the underneath that light. And then there's two more on the cat shed, so I'll probably do those too. How are the girlies? What are you doing? About ready for lunch? Okay. All right, that's better. Now let's go do the two on the cat shed. For some reason, these two don't look as bad. Odd. They've been here longer than the other one. Like a year longer. But anyway. Yeah, I'll give them a shot of paint. All right, got them down, got them scrubbed, and I'm gonna give them a shot of paint and let them dry and we'll put them back up. Okay, still rustic looking, but more of a solid color. All right, here she is. Sanded and repainted. She looks a lot better than she did. Still pretty rugged though. I kind of like it. I like how it looks. And it used to be there on the front of the old greenhouse. Here comes Gandalf. And Arthur's been helping me. But since the old greenhouse is going away, I figure we might as well move it to like a more permanent spot. So I'm gonna put its bracket way up here. And if you haven't caught on yet, I don't have the tripod, so I can only show you what it looks like before and after, not the during. All right, there she is. Way up there. I'm sure someone will love it. One bedroom apartment, freshly painted. Now let's get that back up here. And just in case you're wondering, all this mess is the cardboard from the sheds that we built, but it was really nicely stacked until we had this huge windstorm yesterday, which is why we're out cleaning up after the windstorm. So I just took advantage of all the cardboard for my spray painting projects. All right, 1 down, 2 to go. Safi, what are you doing? What? They look better. Well, I'll get them back up here. You can tell exactly where they go. All right, there's the after. Looks pretty good. I like it. And now I have fancy cardboard. Realize now I really need to get a tripod for my phone for days like today, because there might be more days like today where he's doing something and I'm doing something. So what I have is a microfiber cloth to wipe it all off, and then an X-Acto knife and some blue tape, and I'm going to tape off the white parts first, and then I'll give it, because the white actually looks kind of good. I don't know, we'll see what it looks like. But I'll do the white parts first, and then I can do blue and red, and then if I have to go back and do the white. That might be fun, especially around these. Yeah, anyhow. Okay, you can see that I've had really good help, but I got this red stripes all taped off, so now I think I'm gonna go blast it with some red paint. What do you think, Morgan? Should we blast it with some red paint? Nibbler. You're a nibbler. You're a nibbler. Ah! Love you. Alright, let's do that. Then we can move on. Yeah, we can move on. What do you think? Alright, now she's all red. Let her dry for a while. Pull the paint off. Then we can move on to the top portion. Already looks better. Already looks better. Alright, I think that actually looks really good like that. I'm not going to do anything more with it right now. Maybe next year, give it some more paint in a different color. But I think just adding the red stripes back on it makes it look fantastic. Yeah, that's much better. Now the top and bottom star. I painted the middle one a couple years ago. Top and bottom one need some love. Well, it didn't take you very long.
Not too bad now.
Now he's just working on putting all the stuff on the tractor. On the tractor. camera because I feel like it's coming this way whether you want it to or not.
Yeah.
Push on it, but... Did you take that wedge out?
Huh?
Did you take that wedge out?
Not yet.
That's good. Then I can't kill him with it. I know. Alright. Get it, get it. So here we have the crazy leany tree, and then there's the fence all along with no trees, and then there's two more trees over there, one on this side of the gate and one on that side of the gate, which I think should probably come down. And then we're gonna plant, we'll have a nursery come plant a big tree right there in the divot where the car hit. I think that'll be nice. Oh, he had the gate opener in the tractor. That's hilarious. This bird had a feeder right there. Fell down yesterday. And so I took it all apart. Replaced the cord that it hangs from, wire that it hangs from, and then I gave the roof a spray paint job. That's the only thing I spray painted on this was the roof. Just a fresh coat of black paint. Got it all back up. My first project of the day was to add these new boards to the ends of the picnic table because some of the boards were warped up. And so I said if we add one more board there and just screw it down, it'll be better. And it is better. It's not perfect, but it is better. This is how it's done. They're so funny. Is that good stuff? The birds take a bath in it and then it's like chicken noodle soup without the chicken. And no noodles. You funny monkey. Oh, so cute. And I just did this for the roosters. So the door can't close in the daytime, and then they can go back inside. So, close it for night. And then in the morning when you open it, it can latch over there, and it'll stay open all day. And we'll lock it so that raccoons can't get in. That's cool. I like it. Alright, that's it for today. Signing off. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.